Hey everyone, it's Miss Kabumba here. We're on our road to 500 subscribers. I want to show you guys how I upcycled this sweater. I made the headband as well. So let's get into it. I started off with having this white sweater that I had, and I really want to make a heart on it. I'm going to give you guys the full 360 turn around, show you guys a little back design. Anyhow, I had to trace a yellow heart on the sweater. There's me. And then I grabbed this red sweater cardigan. The only problem with this is that it's a little loose, way too loose compared to the white cardigan. But anyhow, I cut the hearts and I'm showing you guys how I'm going to pin the heart down to the white sweater. Okay, so what you have to be doing is make sure the edges from the red hearts and the white sweater are connected. Make sure it's connected and you're going to sew from inside outs. Always sew from inside outs. To start the sewing process, you're just gonna press on your pedal foot, and I always do a straight stitch. I press on my pedal foot for like 3 seconds, and then I do a back stitch. I'm not filming the back stitch process right now, but anyhow, I take out the pins and I just keep sewing. Honestly, the only reason I felt like this project took me a while is that I really had to make it look even. The cutting process didn't take long, but making sure the sweater looks good on me definitely took a while. I didn't realize that the white sweater I had and the red sweater had different like stretch flexibility, you know? They had like a different stretch level to it. And I've shown you guys how I basically had to extend the heart size. I pinned that down and then I sewed it. Anyhow, this is how my sweater looks, and I'm gonna sew the bottom you see right there. I'm covering my chest because obviously the sweater has little holes on it, so it's see-through. So this is how it looks. The end product, my red headband and my sweater is so cute. All I really did is wear a red tube top underneath it, and now I want to get into the makeup process because I always do that in my sewing videos, so I can show you guys how I fully style the whole outfit. Start off my makeup process, I'm just putting primer all over my face. You put primer after you obviously wash your face, come on, and moisturize. Right here, I'm filling in my eyebrows. This is a 2B manga anime palette by Root Cosmetics. Love Root Cosmetics. You should use my code Carolina, CARELENNA. You won't regret it, and you'll get some dollars off. And here I'm going in with my foundation by CoverGirl. I use the color D60. Now we're just gonna keep blending. I didn't even put that much foundation on because honestly, I feel like my skincare is really looking good for me. I ain't gonna lie. So as you can see, I used the big brush to spread it all around, and I used a small brush to just put foundation around my eyebrows. Now it's time for the concealer. I used the Ben Nye concealer and I put it around my eyebrows because I want my eyebrows to pop, of course. I put a little bit under my eyes because I feel like that's where I want it highlighted. A little bit on my chin because that's a highlighting point as well. And my nose bridge and on my nose, so I get that little button nose effect. And I just blend everything out with my smaller brush. Going in, I know this video is sped because I didn't want this to be a super long makeup tutorial. And now I'm going in with my Fenty Beauty loose powder. I love Fenty Beauty, honestly. I think you guys can literally see how matte my face is getting by just putting a little bit of that powder on. Yeah, I did not put a lot. A little goes a long way with makeup, honestly. And now I'm putting my highlighting powder just like under my eyes. Now it's time for some contour and blush. The contour and blush, once again, is the 2B manga anime palette by Root Cosmetics. Use my code Carolina, CARELENNA, because the palette is used as a blush, a contour, eyeshadow, and dip brow. Hello, what's not to like here? I'm loving the amount of pink I'm putting as my blush. It just looks so cute. And now I'm going in with my highlighter. Love highlight. I've been a highlight girly since 2016. If you know, you know. That was really the biggest. I feel like 2016 was the biggest makeup era. When it came to colorful glam makeup, 2016 really did that. And now a lot of girls like the clean girl makeup. I'm fine with clean girl makeup, but guys, let's have some fun with our eyeshadow here. Let's have some fun with some graphic liner. Where are the lashes? Where's the lip combo? That's why I follow so many like creative makeup artists, because I don't want a boring look, especially as a cosplayer as well. I want to do looks that stand out. Like if I'm buying makeup, you're gonna see it on my face. I'm not trying to buy makeup and make everything look super natural. I want it to stand out. I'm just a glam girl through and through. Anyhow, I'm going in for my eyeshadow. Once again from the Rude Cosmetics palette. I just used a bit of brown and a bit of burgundy because I want to match my outfit. I want to match the headband that I made. Guys, the headband, I didn't actually sew it. I just literally cut it from the fabric. I realized there was nothing to sew. It was like the perfect height. And here, I'm doing little hearts with the Athena You Can Be palette. Now I'm going in with baking powder, just a little bit of baking powder on my face to make it super matte, you know? And here I'm gonna do my lip combo. I don't know what lipstick I used, but I used a light pink nude lipstick, the red YSL lipstick. I know that's YSL. Brown lip liner. Brown lip liner. I'm just doing it with a brush right here. And, you know, just blending it out. Bah, bah, bah. Isn't that what you do with your lips? You go like, bah, bah, bah. You know what I mean? Yeah, exactly. And after this process, honestly, I just put lip gloss and I put my eyelashes on. So the look turned out. It's so cute. It's full of hearts. Hearts on my eyes, hearts on my ears, hearts on my sweater. I'm just a lover girl. It's full of love, full of happiness. Anyhow, I want to show you guys how I accessorized the final look with my pair of glasses from Firmoo. Firmoo has a wide collection of glasses, and you can add prescription on them if you'd like. They have hundreds to choose from. It's amazing. I'm so glad to be partnering up with Firmoo. Use my code COVV50 and shop at Firmoo. You won't regret it. You will get 50% off, and they have a sale going on right now. So check it out. What are you waiting for? Go shop at Firmoo, okay? If you want to accessorize really, really well and get that cute stuff. Anyhow, thank you guys once again for watching my video. We're on the road to 500 subs and then 600 soon. I'll be posting another video Thursday and Sunday, 3 days a week. Let's go. I love you all. Mwah. I'll see you next time.